अरे वो बैकग्राउंड का भूलेगा आज यही रोल करते रहेंगे
इनकी एक खासियत बात आप सबको बताना चाहूंगी. At the spur of the moment, he creates song on anybody, about anybody. सच में आपके दिल को बिल्कुल जीत लेते हैं इस तरह जैसे कि सब कुछ पहले से ही planned हो. So thank you very much, Anu Malik sir, and you also the first one to join us here. It's a very special evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we are truly humbled to have with us the very popular duo. Well, once again, जैसे कि मैंने कहा, it's always about the musical world. And जब भी ये दोनों साथ में एक super hits they've given, and we also have Sulaiman ji here with us. So thank you sir for joining us on time. I was told you were to join us, तो मुझे दिखे नहीं, थोड़ा सा अंधेरा था, and I was like, शांतु को invite करूँ, ऐसे नहीं दिख गए. Sulaiman ji is here, so thank you so much for being here on time. And Salim Merchant, it's such a fabulous honor, beautiful feeling to have Shantu ji here with us. Well, yeah, we'll shift a little. So Ashok ji, I'm going to request you later to join us in the center, but yeah, for now it's going to be like, as I said, this is the biggest celebration. So, hum sab ke liye as society achievers, this is a new year for us. All ladies and gentlemen, please join us as we welcome our managing director, Saregama India. Let's please dance together and give it up for Vikram ji. Welcoming Vikram Mehra ji. You know, I'm going to request you later as models, side pose dene ke liye, but after I invite the cover superstars. So we'll all stand like models, choti jagah mein, for the unveiling. And now, this is the moment. It's such a beautiful moment for us. Yes. No, मैं करूँगी, so don't worry. मैंने already कह दिया, you will have to do like a little bit of shifting. And now, it's not just Shan on the cover. Shan, I mean, at first, okay, so I'm not going to get into that. Oh, Raz हम बाद में फाश करते हैं. It's time for us to welcome his दोनों अनमोल रत्न. I had no idea. They're taller than you. Wow. And we are proud of them. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, already with this fabulous latest album, जो मैं बहुत जल्द Ashok sir, you're not seen. Jayashree ma'am, you're also not seen. Yeah, so I'll do that after the unveiling.
Both sides.
So I don't mind. Soham and Mahi, I'm gonna catch hold of you guys only.
Yes.
Meets pe jana ho, you're not the ones who's gonna propose. Who probably learning how to propose to a girl. So please don't mind doing that. So just because so that everyone squeezes in, just for one photo. Different photo ops for different social media handles. Let's give it up for the cover superstars. It's Shan, Mahi, Soham. Thank you to Anu Malik ji, Salim Sulaiman ji, Shantanu ji, Vikram ji, and now for the grand unveiling.
2, 1.
Society Achievers, the magazine with class, presenting our cover superstars. Let's give it up for Sean, Soham and Mahi. And first, I'm going to request all three of you, the superstars, along with Ashok sir and my dignitaries, to please join us at the stage. The center is yours. Thank you for going down on your knees. Maafi chaungi iske liye, punishment karna iske liye. Thank you. Please. We also have a model. Yeah, wonderful. Oh, we love this. Can we please once again cheer? I appreciate the applause. That's a fabulous applause. Wow. We're very thankful to Escobar for this grand unveiling taking place. So everyone be here with us. Please be here with us, everyone. We're going to have now the unveiling with a hard copy before we go ahead with the first station ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, very quickly, I'm going to please invite my beautiful family of Society Achievers for a photo before we present the memento, because Anu Malik sir has to leave. So, I'm going to very quickly invite everyone.
All of it there.
Smile, everyone! Woo-hoo!
Thank you.
The musical superstars, one second, excuse me. I'm going to please invite my lovely family for a very quick photo of my own family of Society Achievers. May we have all of them here before we present the memento to them. My entire beautiful family, everybody. Suriji, Shivendra ji, everyone.
Center, please. Thank you.
May we please now present a beautiful surprise.
सर यहाँ पर देखिएगा सर यहाँ पर
Sir, center.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh yes.
Can you please very quickly have a photo? Soham and Mahi, this is yours as well. Come on. The future stars of the musical world. It's all in the family. Wow. Woo! Jayashree ji, please join us. Wow, what a beautiful feeling. And now for the felicitation ceremony, I'm going to request Ashok Ramadkar sir to felicitate our distinguished dignitaries.
All of it there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can we please start the felicitation ceremony?
Hello, डाल दिया ना मेरे ऊपर.
Yes. We start with Anu Malik sir, please. Yes.
अबे मार रहा हूँ रुक.
हमारी भारतीय संस्कृति के हिसाब से आपका स्वागत है. Anu sir, it's always so wonderful to have you, and also Anmol in USA is doing so well. Uska English song is a super hit. We are truly overwhelmed. So sir, I know you're in super rush. दो शब्द आपसे जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे, please sir. How does it feel? Sean is on the cover page and with Ashok Ramadkar. You've always been associated with us.
So I would.
Sean, come closer to sir. Everyone.
I would like to congratulate Ashok ji for this beautiful function. We have such great talent. My friends Salim Suleimana here, Shantanu Moitra, who is absolutely such a gifted composer. Goes Vikram ji from Saregama, who's at the helm of affairs with big back-to-back super hits. And right now, at this point of time, I would like to congratulate Radhika and Shan for bringing up Soham and Mahi with so much love. And these guys deserve the amount of respect they get. And it's a huge achievement to be on the cover of a Society magazine, because I don't think I've ever reached there at this point of time. And I don't know, Salim Suleiman, have you ever reached there? But I think it's a huge achievement. And kudos to Shan and Radhika. And these boys, I was just talking to Soham and Mahi was telling me how he sings and how much he's supported by his brother. The amount of love that the brothers share for each other is commendable. You know, this is what I believe families are all about. We are talking about families at this time. And Shan's hard work has paid off. He's been one of the most gifted singers, but apart from that, he's one of the nicest human beings I've ever come across.
Wow.
And I personally feel that it's I'm pretty kicked about the fact that I'm here at this function with these two little boys who are really going to make a mark, and I bless them. Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you, Anji. I just want to add that why it is so important that I have Anji with me, because not just me, even my parents, my father, Anji go a long way. My mother has sung in chorus for Anji's music, so it was very. And I know for a fact that since the late 70s till now, the only consistent composer right through every year who's added, that is Anji, which is a record in itself. And I'm sure in the coming months, if not years, if not months, he will be associated with my voice also in a certain way, because that is unworrying for us. Very happy, very honored.
आपके सारे म्यूजिक में हम सबको बोल लिया है सर, एक सेंटेंस अगर आप प्लीज हम सब के लिए प्लीज सर. Thank you, sir.
Where's Radhika? Radhika, is she around?
Yes sir, she's here. Radhika, please come.
Radhika? Would you just come and stand beside Shan at this part of time? And can you please hold his hand? Of course, no, बच्चों का ठीक है, but hold his hand. Look at the hand holder. ये मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे, ये मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. Thank you so much.
So kind of you, sir.
Anup, thank you so much for your presence and your few words, what you said about us and Chan. Thank you so much.
Beautiful shot with their girlfriends, sir. Why did I share with you? What, sir? And now, yeah, Radhika said pehle se hi nahi. So I asked Radhika ji, let's please accept this. You'll deserve it all. We are proud of both of you. Radhika, the entire credit goes to you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Right now. Salim Bachchan, over to you. No, I want you to speak a few words. Photo, is that?
I just read one caption in the my kids are my world, my music, that was Shan's quote, and it's so well said, because every parent would want their kid, anyone who's into music would want their kids to continue the legacy, and but it's not always possible, because the kids want to do something else. It's difficult in this day and age to have this legacy continue. So really, Shan and Radhika, you guys, the credit for Soham and Mahi goes to you both, because you have really excelled yourselves as parents. So it's sometimes because they would want to do something else, they would want to do some other subject, but to be able to, for them to continue doing music is such a big thing. And of course, it's all your hard work, and it's all your dedication. It's a beautiful moment for your family, for all three of you to be on the cover of Society. Thank you for having them.
के पीछे तो हम सब दीवाने हैं ही, लेकिन आज तो बिल्कुल स्टेयर करना नहीं रुक रहा. So are we ready to hear it from Shan, everybody? The cover superstar. Let's please hear a few words from Shan.
इस प्रपोजल के साथ अप्रोच किए तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत सरप्राइज था कि so many, when you talk about achievers, when you talk about people who have created some impact in society, इतने सारे नाम आएंगे, लेकिन उन्हें बहुत प्यार से कहा कि नहीं शान, we want you on the cover, and in fact अकेले नहीं, आपके दोनों बच्चों के साथ. मैंने कहा ये इनको बोले नहीं, हम सब खबर रखते हैं, हमें पता है कि very often people do well, but then to get the next generation उनके साथ कुछ करना, काफी लोगों में क्यूरियोसिटी, जिज्ञासा है कि तुम तीनों की इक्वेशन क्या है, किस तरह से तुम एक दूसरे के बारे में सोचते हो. They are the new generation, and how do you work together? So I found that very exciting. लेकिन तब भी नहीं पता था कि इतना तामझाम होगा। मुझे लगा ठीक है कवर पे आ जाएंगे तीनों, लेकिन फिर जब ये और मुझे ये भी पता है कि चाहे कुछ भी है, सबसे पहले हमारी दोस्ती है, सबसे आगे सबसे बेहतर है, which is why I can always count on my boys. I can always count on सुलेखा कनेक्शन ऐसा है कि मैं भी गाती गाती पहली बार मिला, हम लोग पार्टी कर रहे थे साथ में, तो तब से हमारे and Shantanu Moitra is one person that I always look up to, not just as a very creative and a very original composer, but also a person with such a grace and sensibility that goes beyond just typical music world. हम जब बात करते हैं तो हम ऐसे अलग-अलग टॉपिक्स पर और बहुत ही जिंदगी के बारे में फलसफे और बहुत खूबसूरत बातें होती हैं। एंड पूछे मेरा नाम और पता, रस्मों को रख के पड़े, 4 कदम बस 4 कदम, चल दो ना साथ मेरे, बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ सुने, हाथों में हाथ लिए, 4 कदम बस 4 कदम, चल दो ना साथ मेरे। मैंने एक्चुअली यही गाना गाकर सबको यहाँ बुला लिया, बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ पूछे, आ जाओ और मेरे साथ थोड़ा 4 कदम चल लो। I think that's why I thought this would be the most apt song to sing.
Actually, I think speaking on behalf of both brother and I was so humbled to just be in the seeing everyone here just warms the heart even more. I'll sing a line as well. He's obviously a very proud Saregama artist and Vikram sir is here, and he's always he's with the engine throughout all of this. Today is also another special day because I got to sing my first ever tune. Shantanu sir for a special project. So that was also quite nice today itself. And obviously. So Suleiman sir have always been so helpful when it comes to advice. I've got to see them live also once, and it was so much to learn from them. Obviously, the music. Brother, in fact, is also yeah, and he's playing Saregama as well. I think about it. Yes, yeah. So we get to learn. See, so I think song is a song that helps also. Can summarize the situation. Brother produced a song, and I got to sing it. A song called Jadoo Kari. Sing a little bit of that, just to because all of them here is like having magic on this stage. मिलना तेरा लगे, कोई जादू करे, मिलना तेरा लगे, कोई जादू करे, किस्मत पे आए ना जो आए ना यकीन, मिलना तेरा लगे, कोई जादू करे।
Well, I think a lot of audience again, I would just like to reiterate, we're so humbled by this. I know it's a society achievers, but I didn't feel we're achieving. It's not there yet, but we're going to get there with everyone's blessings, and we're so grateful for it. Thank you so much, everybody. I think there's a long path for us to go, and it's moments like these that will always keep us going. No matter what we're doing, we're doing that. And I just want to thank everyone for coming. It means so much to both of us. And to be able to celebrate Dad is always a blessing. It's another blessing for us. So we're always so humble and grateful for everything. Thank you so
much. It's really. Thank you. I'm going to welcome, just 3 more. I'm going to welcome Bright Outdoor Media. Woo-hoo! And now maybe please thank Shantanu for this. Shantanu Moitra, come on, the music man, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a huge round of applause. Thank you. विक्रम सविल से अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है अनवीलिंग में ये सोसाइटी अचीवर्स में ऐसा ही होता है प्लीज वेलकम विक्रम सर मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ साई India. So we truly want to thank you for your gracious presence. It's a beautiful moment for us, ladies and gentlemen, our living legend, Vikram Mehra ji. And now, the two superstars before... दोनों को ये कहें. It's Anil ji's wish. So may we please have Soham and Mahi receive this. Radhika, may we please. अनिल जी आज बहुत ज़्यादा खुश दिख रहे हैं. So please be here with us, my dignitaries, as we gonna now hear from the dynamic.
सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता हो तुमको बता. शर्मो है आगे पर्दे गिरा के करनी है हमको खता. जिद है अब तो है खुद को मिटाना, होना है तुझ में फना.
हेलो हेलो हेलो
जी 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 नहीं, बहुत मेरे लिए बहुत ही एक खुशी का ये एक फीलिंग हो रही है. और मैं बहुत इनफैक्ट बहुत ओवरवेल्म्ड हूँ, न सिर्फ कि हम तीनों का इस तरह से एक कवर स्टोरी बना और मतलब आर्टिकल आना एक होता है और कवर पे आना एक होती है, तो बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात है. पहली बार मुझे इस तरह का एक कवर पे आना हुआ, वो भी मेरे दोनों बच्चों के साथ. और अनवीलिंग के लिए अनु मलिक जी, सलीम सुलेमान, शांतनु मोहित्रा, विक्रम मेहरा, ऐसे मतलब बड़े दिग्गज भी आए, तो इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग. बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप लोग जिस तरह से सोसाइटी में आप लोग आए हैं, क्या कुछ कितना बड़ा प्रिविलेज मोमेंट?
बस वही है कि ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ ह्यूज प्रिविलेज टू बी विद दैट. और जैसे कि सर ने भी बोला कि है ये सोसाइटी अचीवर्स मैगजीन, पर शुभ माही और मैं वी आर हियर एज अचीविंग और ट्राइंग टू अचीव समथिंग. बस वही इच्छा है कि हम आगे बढ़े और सबके ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ. बस वही है, एंड वी आर जस्ट वेरी ग्रेटफुल.
Why did you decide to have them on the cover?
वो तो बताया,
मैंने तो बताया कि
बोले सिर्फ एक्टर्स को क्यों ये प्रिविलेज मिले.
सबको मिलना चाहिए.
पॉलिटिशियंस हर जगह आती है.
ये जो चेंजेस आया है, क्योंकि अब हमारी सोसाइटी में ना कि एक्टर बल्कि डायरेक्टर, राइटर,
जी
सभी को
हाँ, आशीष शिलार जी भी. सो पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ हैव बीन ऑन इट.
तो जो भी काम कर रहा है उसके काम अगर अच्छा है तो सोसाइटी में एप्रिशिएट मिल रहा है. ये पहले नहीं होता था उतना, सिर्फ एक्टर, फीमेल एक्टर, मेल एक्टर को ही उतना. लेकिन अब ये बहुत ही चेंज आया हमारी सोसाइटी में, तो ये कैसे देखते हैं?
नहीं, ये देखिए बहुत जो स्पेशली जैसे जो पब्लिकेशंस बहुत सालों से चल रहे हैं, उनकी भी एक ऑन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कहें कि सोसाइटी के हर क्षेत्र के हर लोगों को सेलिब्रेट किया जाए. और लेकिन हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स सेल्स और वो नंबर्स भी बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ होती है. जब कोई एक्टर स्टार का चेहरा पेपर पे होता है तो लोगों में वो एक ज़्यादा जिज्ञासा, इंटरेस्ट और वो जोश जागती है. लेकिन आज की तारीख में लोगों को कहानियाँ जाननी है, स्टोरीज जाननी है. अगर उसमें कोई कवर पे ऐसा ट्विस्ट है कि बाप है दोनों सब बेटे हैं, इनकी क्या कहानी है. सो आई थिंक दैट कुड बी इंटरेस्टिंग ऑल्सो. और इट शुड नॉट ओनली नेसेसरली बी फ्रॉम एंटरटेनमेंट. वो हर किसी की अपनी कहानी होती है, और आज की जो ऑडियंस है वो बहुत रिसेप्टिव है ऐसी अलग कहानियों को जानने के लिए, सुनने के लिए. शायद यही सोचकर अशोक जी ने सोचा होगा कि इन तीनों को डालते हैं कवर पे.
Can we have a song from all of three of you together? One song you can sing for us.
I think it's
Two lines. Yeah.
साथ में चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी ना हो, आंसू भी ना हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार वाले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले. सोसाइटी के लिए हम यही चाहेंगे कि हम सब प्यार से एक साथ खुशी से जिए.